Welcome to Asset Plant Machinery. Today we're going to demonstrate our Steelmaster H-350 column bandsaw. This one's a semi-auto operating machine with hydraulic bias. We offer this machine in several different models ranging up to about 800mm. This is a 350 capacity. Now heat's just raising the column up now by a auto function. You can set that auto function to raise up to whichever desired height you require to cut the material. Stroking will raise it to its top position, and then he's got clamp the bias, start the blade up and start the down feed. He's just adjusting his down feed now to suit the cut. He's just got a small piece of timber there to cut as a sample, and just to show you how this saw works. Fine-tuning it now as it comes down. Goes back to its starting position. As mentioned before, we can adjust that starting position up to suit the material being cut to save turnaround time. However, as you can see, this machine runs really well and smooth, and being a column saw, will cut very complete with basic length stock. We've got skeleton work light, hydraulic clamp, and a very easy to use console control which operates all the functions we just discussed. We also offer this saw in a auto feed version, which is also very popular. And we'll just run through some of the features. Obviously we've got brush, we've got coolant, Infeed coolant, limit switch cut off with your guard cutters, which is obviously most important. Limit switch height settings there, the up and down, and also the motor machine. As you can see here, the hard to ground column offers vertical up and down cutting accuracy. So anyway, jump onto assetplant.com or call Asset Plant Direct, and we're pleased to help you with